Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I completely transformed these dollar store press-on nails and transformed them into a full set, essentially. So here we go. I've done this before a few times. I do have a few different tips and tricks, so make sure you stay tuned. Alright, so starting off, you're just going to go in and do the basics. You're going to size them out to your nails. Just pick the one that fits your nails best. If you come in between one that's either too big or too small, you can always just opt for the bigger one and size it down with the emery board. This specific pack came with a whole bunch of different sizes though, like a ton. So you'll definitely be sure to find one that fits. Alright, so applying the nails. So we're just going to go ahead and apply them, and then we'll get into the part of blending and making them look like a full set. But for adhesion, we're going to be using my solid nail tip glue gel. This is available for purchase in my Etsy shop, and I'll be sure to leave the link to it down below. But the texture is like a putty texture. It's super easy and simple to use. As you can see, all I'm doing here is going in, scooping some, and then applying it to my nail. Only thing is, you want to make sure that you apply a really generous amount because you want the solid nail tip glue gel to cover the whole nail almost entirely. And that's just either the whole nail entirely, or you want it to make sure that it hits right at the French tip line, just because you don't want any like deviations. When doing this method, you can use any press-on nails, but you just want to make sure that you're using some that are like translucent as these are, and that's why using dollar store ones are preferred, because they're typically, you know, cheaper, thinner, and translucent, so they just work perfect for this method. I'm just gonna go in and do that to the rest of my nails. You can do all 4 fingers at once to eliminate the time your hand is in and out of that UV lamp, and you also want to make sure you always do your thumbs separately. Alright, so here's what the nails are looking like. Super big, super bulky, super yuck. So we're going to go in with the 8080 grit nail file. I purchased these off of Amazon. I'll be sure to link them down below and also in my Amazon storefront. Now we're going to go in and really blend the nails and make it look like a full set. So first thing you want to do is go in with a e-file. This is my MelodySusie e-file. It's their 2-in-1 lamp, so it's the e-file with the UV lamp all attached in one. If you have a small space, perfect. It saves so much room on your nail desk. But I'm just going in, and as you can see, I'm really blending those cuticles and kind of giving that deviation, that line that makes it look like it's either growing out of your nails or like a really nice, clean, full set. So after you file it, get the shape you want and blend out those cuticles, I went in, dusted that off, and then I went in with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol, and I just wiped my nails down. If you did fully prep your nails, at this point you could go in and give your hands a good washing with some soap and water. So we're going to be using the Nails Cat gel polish, and this is really what helps blend the nail together and makes it really look not so fake and just really nice, like you just stepped out of a nail salon. But this is in her shade Frenchy. You can use an OPI polish. You just want to be sure that you're using a polish that's not too thick and that you can build up, that you can layer. And this polish is perfect for that. It's a rubber base coat, so it adds an extra layer of strength, and it's a build-up polish. So as you can see, it's not super opaque, it's super thick. The more you layer it, the deeper the color becomes. So I really love this shade, this specific shade, Frenchy and Naked. Those are my two favorites. So yeah, I'm just going in and doing a super thin coat of that. Here's what the nails are looking like. Now we're going to go in with a top coat. This top coat is by Model Ones, and this is their regular gel top coat. This is not their no wipe top coat. Last and final step, cuticle oil, my absolute favorite. This is available for purchase in my Etsy shop, but as you guys know, it's currently sold out. So here is the finished product. I love doing this method with false nails. It's definitely a heck of a lot better than just taking out those nails and applying them. If you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful, then please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will be sure to catch you in my next one. Bye!